Hi, I'm Tyler Van Wagoner, and I'm a third-year student here at SHSU College of Osteopathic Medicine. When I was a student athlete at the University of Texas, one of my physicians was actually a DO, and so because of that experience, I was interested in going into a osteopathic medical school. I'm from Texas, and my dad is a physician in Dallas. I knew that when I wanted to get into medicine, I looked up online, and Sam Houston was one of the top scoring universities in the country. I've seen how powerful OMM and osteopathic treatments have been to the human body being able to heal itself, and so that's why I decided to apply to become a TA. Osteopathic medicine treats the whole person, their body, mind, and spirit, and so there's certain techniques that we use that allow us to treat each of those individual aspects and treating the patient more than just their diagnosis. Osteopathic training has allowed me to become a lot more intentional when I'm treating somebody, and I remember to treat them holistically and remember that structure and function allows the body to treat itself. To a student considering osteopathic medicine for the first time, I would say keep an open mind. You might not understand the practice at first, but the more you do it, the more comfortable and confident you become, and then you start to see the power of what OMM can actually do.